Today I did some garden cleanup because I needed to take all the containers that were all around the garden and put them into one spot. Hi, Ozzy. Because it's starting to get later in the season, I've decided to deal with my containers by putting them all together. This way I can take care of them a lot easier, because it's pretty hard to manage all of these things around the garden and have to continuously water them. So for the end of summer, I'm just gonna leave these guys here, and I'm gonna cut out some garden beds and I'm gonna plant them in the soil. All right, and this was my shed. I guess there's some moisture underneath the shed. So every time it rained, it would come up through the bottom. So I got some pallets. That's way better. Also cleaned up the vegetable garden. It is overgrown. I never staked up the tomatoes. Tell me if your garden beds look like this too. See, there's a couple of squash there that don't even have any fruit on them, so I kind of took them out. I harvested one eggplant. I've got lots of basil, lots of lavender, and there are lots of tomatoes in here. But you know what? Like, not staking them, that's fine. It adds a little bit to the garden.